शयनं पद्मनाभं सुरेशं विश्वाधारं गगनसदृशं मेघवर्णं शुभाङ्गं लक्ष्मीकान्तं कमलनयनं योगिभिर्ध्यानगम्यम्.
Good morning, scholars. Let's move further in English grammar with chapter number 10, Comparison of Adjectives. In the last chapter, we studied about adjectives. In this chapter, how to compare them, we will study that. Before starting, let's revise what is adjective. As we studied and discussed in the last lecture, adjectives are words that tell us more about nouns. Nouns, everybody knows the names of things around us. Now, adjectives are those words that tell us something more about the nouns. They are also called describing words. Now, we also call adjectives as describing words because they describe the noun. They describe the words. Children, look at these pictures. The picture of a man, coconut tree and a building. All these pictures are tall. But how will we compare them? Let's see. Let's see the comparison. The man is tall. The coconut tree is taller. Coconut tree was little more taller than man. The building is tallest. Building was the most tallest one, and so it is called the building is tallest. Let's see a few more examples. See the mouse? Big, bigger, biggest. This piece of cheese is big, but this is bigger than this. And this is the biggest one among all. See the hair of this girl? Long. But here it is little more longer. And here it is longest. So this is known as the comparison of adjectives. When you compare two things or three things, that is called comparison. How do we show the comparison? We show comparison by adding ER and EST to the words given. Let's see a few examples of it. Look at the exercise D on page number 47. Add ER and EST to the words given below. So, suppose it is sweet. First you will add sweeter and then EST, sweetest. Lychee is sweet. When you talk about lychee, it is little sweet. Okay. Mango is sweeter than lychee. When you talk about mango, it is little more sweeter. But jackfruit is the sweetest of lychee and mango. So jackfruit among three is the sweetest one. Most sweetest you add EST. Little sweet you add ER. And when it is very normal, only sweet, you add nothing in it. The same way hard, harder, hardest. Stone is hard, but iron rods or nails are harder. And the diamond is the hardest one to break. So this is how we show comparison. Children, most of the exercises given in your book are same. You just have to add ER and EST. But if the adjectives, for adjectives ending with Y, if any word which ends with Y, what you have to do is, you have to remove Y and add IER and IEST. Now see the example, the word is lazy. So you will remove Y from here. Instead of Y, you will add a I and then again ER. So lazier. And IEST, laziest. Heavy, remove Y, heavier, heaviest. Now, in conclusion, what can we say? An adjective that does not make any comparison is called positive degree. The first word when you don't add anything to it. Like for example, dark. We don't add anything behind it. That adjective is called a positive degree. An adjective ending with er when we add er to it and is used in comparing two things. Whenever you add er, that means you are comparing two things. This is called comparative degree. You are comparing two things, you are adding er. It is called comparative degree. For example, darker. We added er, we are comparing two things, right? An adjective ending with est and is used in comparing more than two things or many things is called superlative degree. Now those words which are compared with more than two things or they are compared with many things, then we call it a superlative degree and we add est. For example, darkest. So only dark is a positive degree, darker is a comparative degree, darkest is the superlative degree.